Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will discuss top 30 human blood MCQs part 1A. In isocytosis is related to which feature of RBC? Option A size, B shape, C number, option D color. Correct option is A size. The major cell infected by HIV is the dash lymphocyte. Option A helper T cell, B B cell, option C both T and B cell. Correct option is A helper T cell. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from my technologist. Which of the following diseases is not caused by the virus? Option A TB, B AIDS, C HIV, D flu. Correct option is A TB. Enzyme present in the saliva is option A lipase, B trypsin, C ptyalin, D invertase. Correct option is C ptyalin. Cilia are produced from option A mitochondria, B cell membrane, C centriole, option D cytoplasm. Correct option is C centriole. Nitrogen is present option A carbohydrates, B proteins, C lipids, D carbonate. Correct option is B proteins. Which are the four most abundant elements in the living cells? Option A carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur. Option B carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen. Option C carbon, oxygen, sulfur, phosphorus. Correct option is B carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen. From the right ventricle, blood is pushed into option A pulmonary trunk, B brain, C aorta, D body. Correct option is A pulmonary trunk. Which of the following is not the function of enzyme? Option A speed up chemical reaction, B digest food substances, C involved in cellular respiration, option D maintain healthy epithelial tissue. Correct option is D maintain healthy epithelial tissue. The heart is enclosed in a membrane called option A pleura, B pericardium, C peritoneum, D epithelium. Correct option is B pericardium. The salt and water balance of the body fluid is maintained by the option A kidneys, B urinary bladder, C lymph, option D chloroplast. Correct option is A kidneys. Algae differ from plants in that the sex organs in the algae are option A multicellular, B unicellular, C acellular, D none of these. Correct option is C acellular. Most cell membranes are composed principally of option A DNA and protein, B protein and lipids, C protein and chitin, and option D protein and RNA. Correct option is B protein and lipids. Hemodialysis means cleaning of option A urine, B blood, C glomerular filtrate. Correct option is B blood. What is considered as good sources of iodine? Option A eggs and meat, B seafoods, C fresh vegetables and fruits. Correct option is B seafoods. In bacterial and viral infections, there is an increase in the number of option A platelets, B RBCs, C antibodies, D WBCs. Correct option is D WBCs, white blood cells. Bacteria without any flagella are called option A monotrichous, B atrichous, C peritrichous, D lophotrichous. Correct option is B atrichous. Protists have evolved from option A animals, B plants, C fungi, D prokaryotes. Correct option is D prokaryotes. On wound, dash fights foreign particle like bacteria. Option A WBCs, B RBCs, C platelets. Correct option is A WBCs. Which pathogen type causes a disease that can be treated with antibiotics? Option A bacteria, B fungi, C virus, D none of these. Correct option is A bacteria. Which is an organic compound found in most of the cells? Option A water, B glucose, C oxygen, D sodium chloride. Correct option is B glucose. All enzymes are proteins which are dash. Option A globular, B fibrous, C helical, D all of these. Correct option is A globular. Dash are needed as a source of energy for the vital activities of the body. Option A calcium, B iron, C water, option D carbohydrates. Correct option is B iron. Which of the following is the correct classification? Option A kingdom, order, class, family. Option B kingdom, phylum, class, order. Option C kingdom, class, species, family. Option D kingdom, class, phylum, family. Correct option is B kingdom, phylum, class, order. Which of the following is not a function of bones? Option A support, B production of the blood cells, C protein synthesis, D muscle attachment. Correct option is C protein synthesis. What is essential for the formation of hemoglobin? Option A iron, B calcium, C water, D carbohydrates. Correct option is A iron. Dash vitamin is needed to form a light sensitive pigment in the retina. Option A vitamin A, B vitamin C, C vitamin D, option D vitamin B complex. Correct option is A vitamin A. Hemoglobin is a protein that is found in the dash of the blood. Option A plasma, B platelets, C red blood cells, D white blood cells. Correct option is C red blood cells. Which components of the body works is an energy storage device? Option A fats, B proteins, C liver, D skin. Correct option is A fats. The lifespan of platelets is days. Option A 5 days, B 6 days, C 100 days, D 120 days. Correct option is B 6 days. Thank you for watching my videos.